cornbread recipe. Hello, this is my easy cornbread recipe. 1 cup cornmeal, 1 cup flour, 1/3 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 4 teaspoons baking powder, 1/3 cup oil, 1 cup milk, and 1 egg. Very easy to make. Mix all the dry ingredients together. Add all the wet ingredients. Mix well. Spray a medium-sized cast iron skillet with some oil. Heat it on the stove a little bit. Pour all the batter in. Bake at 400 degrees for about a half an hour until it's golden. Like and subscribe because there is more coming.